Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the CapCut mobile application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import photos and videos onto your project. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application on your device and then tap on the edit button at the bottom left, which will then show you your recent projects, and you can also create a new project if you wish. If you tap on the new project option, you may be prompted to allow access to your device gallery. After allowing access, you can now browse your videos and photos that are on your device directly. Now from the Videos tab, you can simply tap on the videos that you prefer to use within your project, and you may choose multiple videos if you wish. Tap on the HD option at the bottom to enable HD editing. You can go into the Photos tab as well if you wish to select photos for your edits. Once you have chosen your desired photos and videos, tap on the Add button at the bottom right corner, and now your edits will be added to your timeline one after another. If you wish to add further photos and videos, you can tap on the plus button and once again browse for videos and photos from your gallery. Once you are done with your edit, you can choose your resolution from the top section and export your videos by tapping on Export. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to import photos and videos within your project on the CapCut mobile app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.